Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Humanity has always reached for the stars, driven by an insatiable curiosity and unyielding will to explore the unknown. We've built empires, scaled mountains, and even set foot on the moon. But what if our next great frontier isn't just about exploration? What if it's about creation? Imagine a world where the red, desolate Martian landscape is transformed into a thriving green oasis. A world where river flows, forests flourish, and cities hum with the energy of human life. This isn't a plot of a sci-fi movie. This is a bold vision of terraforming Mars. But how do we turn this dream into reality? What will it take to reshape an entire planet? Today we're diving into the science, the challenges, and the incredible possibilities of terraforming Mars, transforming it from a barren rock into humanity's second home. Get ready to explore the future because the journey to transform Mars starts right now. Welcome to the fascinating world of terraforming, the science of planetary engineering. Today, we're exploring how we might one day make Mars habitable for humans. What is terraforming? Terraforming is the process of modifying a planet's environment to make it more Earth-like. For Mars, this means creating a breathable atmosphere, rising the temperature, and introducing water and life. But why Mars? Why invest in transforming a seemingly lifeless planet? Well, our red neighbor has a lot going for it. 1. It's relatively close to Earth. 2. It has a similar day length to Earth. 3. There's evidence of past water on its surface. 4. It has the potential for extracting useful resources. Imagine a future where humans have colonized Mars, where cities thrive under protective domes, and where the red planet becomes a vibrant extension of human civilization. However, transforming Mars into a habitable planet is no small feat. Mars presents several challenges. Number 1. Thin atmosphere. Mars' atmosphere is about 1% as dense as Earth's, mostly composed of carbon dioxide. Number 2. Extremely cold. The average temperature on Mars is about -63 degrees Celsius. Number 3. Lack of magnetic field. Without a strong magnetic field, Mars can't protect itself from harmful solar radiations. Number 4. No liquid water. While there's water ice on Mars, liquid water can't exist on its surface due to low atmospheric pressure. Number 5. Low gravity. Mars has only 38% of Earth's gravity. This could affect human health and the ability to retain a thick atmosphere. It's not something we would see in our lifetime, but the journey could start now. Developing the technology, creating the first Martian colonies, and making the initial steps towards a self-sustaining environment are all within the realm of possibility. Although the timescale is long, the rewards could be immense. A transformed Mars could become humanity's second home, a place where future generations thrive, explore, and continue the legacy of Earth. But before we embark on such a monumental task, we must consider the ethical implications. Do we have the right to alter an entire planet? What if Mars already harbors microbial life? Terraforming could destroy native ecosystems before we even discover them. These are questions that humanity must answer collectively. As we push the boundaries of science and exploration, we must also tread carefully, balancing our dreams with responsibilities. Terraforming Mars isn't just a scientific endeavor. It's a story of hope, ambition, and the enduring human spirit. Imagine the day when the first forests take root in Martian soul, when rivers flow when there was once only dust, and when the red planet is no longer just a distant dream, but a thriving living world. This isn't just about survival, it's about the birth of a new world, a world where humanity can start anew, learn from past mistakes, and create a society that reflects our highest ideals. Mars offers us a blank slate, a chance to build something truly extraordinary. But it also challenges us to be better, to be stewards of not just one planet, but two. Imagine future generations looking up at Earth from their home on Mars, knowing that their ancestors dared to dream of a better future and made it a reality. Terraforming Mars could be humanity's ultimate act of creation, a gift to the universe and a testament to what we can achieve when we unite in pursuit of a common goal. The future of Mars is the future of humanity, where we rise to the challenge and transform a barren world into a living paradise. The first step begins today, with our imagination and our will to explore. So, let's reach to the stars and let's bring life to the red planet. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the possibilities of terraforming Mars. If you believe in the power of human ingenuity and the potential for new worlds, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And share your thoughts in the comments. How do you see the future of Mars? Together, we can explore the stars, one story at a time. Until next time, bye guys!